What are nouns? These are the names we give to things all around us. They can be people, things, places, or ideas. But there are different kinds of nouns, so let's have a look. Common nouns are a general name for a person, place, thing, or idea. The teacher helped the student with the assignment. We walked through the city and stopped at a park. She read a book while sitting on a chair. Their love for each other grew stronger every day. My doctor works at a large hospital. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, or organizations. They identify unique entities and are always capitalized. My friend Emily visited London during the summer. We climbed the Eiffel Tower in Paris. I love reading Harry Potter books by J.K. Rowling. Last year, Christmas was very special. Concrete nouns are things you can experience with your 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, or smell. The dog chased the ball across the field. She drank hot coffee and ate an apple for breakfast. The flower gave off a sweet smell in the garden. I put on my sunglasses and felt the warm sunshine. Abstract nouns are ideas, qualities, or concepts you cannot touch or see. Her happiness filled the room. We should fight for freedom and justice. He was shocked by the truth. The idea changed the way people think about education. Collective nouns are a group of people, animals, or things considered a single unit. Our team won the match. A flock of birds flew over the lake. Our class went on a field trip to the museum. A pack of wolves hunted in the forest. The choir sang beautifully. Some nouns can belong to more than one category at once. Awesome job, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to the Revision Station for more grammar videos. Okay, bye-bye.